Good evening, guys. So I did my makeup for the Christmas parties I have tonight. Y'all want to see my ugly sweater? Cause baby, oh, it is not. It ain't cute. It's really ugly. But y'all like my makeup? I did that, y'all. Like, I seen it on Pinterest and I was like, oh yeah, I gotta try that. And I used Juvia's Place in the Warrior palette. It has this green in it, and baby, this green, I was nervous at first because it was real like boom in your face, but it came out really cute. Like, so I'm excited, and I paired it with my Ruby Woo and I did a black liner. But here go my ugly sweater, y'all. Look at it. Oh, like, y'all, real deal ugly. And then I got these little lights out of Dollar Tree. Where's my own button? It's a button on it. So they have 3 settings. They have this one, then there's the one that flashes real fast, and then there's one where it just stays on. So I think the one on my, because I was like, listen, this is how much weight I lost. I was able to put this around my waist. So I think the one on my waist, I'm gonna leave the solid color, and the one around my neck, I'm gonna have it flashing. But y'all, I just want to show y'all before I go out. The light hit my makeup and it's like boom. Like, I love it. I feel like I look so pretty. And at least I'm giving y'all something different, because I usually come on here looking like a bum, like a straight bum, like no makeup. I just be here, okay? So yeah, somebody woman is fine. It's me. I'm somebody's woman that's fine. It is. But all right, y'all. All right, guys, so I did not record at all at my first event, but I am on my way to my next event.
In 1.2 turn left to merge onto I-295 North.
All right, so I am going to my friend's house. We used to work together, and I hope I'm not too late, y'all, because yeah, like, I was supposed to leave here at 10:30 and it's 11:23 and I'm just leaving.
In 1 mile turn left to merge onto I-295 North.
I'm like just leaving for real. But it was really nice, y'all. Like, we needed to do this. So like I told y'all before, my friend passed away, and we were supposed to have her annual it's her annual ugly Christmas sweater party, and we did not do it because she passed away. So we decided that we were going to go ahead and do it anyway, and we decided that we're going to continue to do this every year because it's something she would have wanted us to do. Like, oops, like, all we do is celebrate. Police, I don't know how they feel about me recording, but she was the type of person that, like, she liked celebration, and that was just what we did. So we decided that it would be a good idea for us to continue to have those Christmas parties every year. But one of our other friends suggested that we do something like this at least every other month, because we do need to spend more time together. And like I said, you spend time with the ones you love, and that's how you make sure everybody's good, like, honestly. But yeah, I am heading back to the other side of town now, which is crazy because, cool child. But I intentionally planned to do it this way. I come here first because it's on the opposite side of town, and then I was going to go to the other place because it's closer to my home. So that's what we're going to do. This works better for what I'm trying to do, I should say. But yeah, y'all, I will talk to y'all when I get there. and I'll see y'all in a bit. Good morning, y'all. So I did not film like I said I was last night. I don't know, I be feeling weird, man. You know, in those types of situations, I be feeling weird. Jesus, they come around this corner kind of fast and close. But yeah, I be feeling weird filming at people's houses and stuff, like, cause I just feel like I need to ask them first. And y'all, I be sounding like I'm like legit like a real, I be sounding like I'm a real like outgoing person, but I am very shy even around people that I already know. So like, yeah, I didn't film last night. But I mean, y'all got a little snippet of me like in between, like during my change of locations. We got out of church early. Y'all, we got out of church early. Okay, so my church is 10 to 11:30. It's 11:17, and I'm already like halfway home. So it means we got out at like 11:10 or something. We had to. But yeah, I am on my way home. I'm gonna try to eat something real quick, and then I'm gonna go over to Hobby Lobby because I wanted to get little gifts for my clients this week. Like, I need to figure out how many clients I have, so that's another reason I need to go home and just look at that and figure out, okay, how many people I have coming this week, and have their little gift bags ready. But yeah, that's it, y'all. I will talk to y'all a little bit. I am still tired. I didn't go to sleep till after 4, and then I turned around and woke up at like 9. So unlike some people, the 4 hours don't work for me. Like I legit need like a full 8 hours of rest, or I'm not okay. Like, I'm not making it. But yeah, I want to go to Hobby Lobby because I feel like they might have more things, I guess. But you know what? I know what I can do that'll save me time and money. Because yeah, I know what I can do. I think I'm going to just give my clients product for their Christmas gifts, because that's a lot easier than having to buy something. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Since I gotta make product anyway, might as well make it for them as well. Yeah, I'm so tired. But alright, I'll talk to y'all later. Good evening, guys. So what I'm about to do is do a cooking segment with you all. Listen, yesterday I went to sleep at 7 and I woke up today. I woke up today. So where's my phone so I can show y'all what we cooking? Y'all, my phone right here. See, that's what I'm talking about. All right, back this way because the light's better over here. So I am cooking turn this around for y'all. Garlic mushroom chicken thighs. So you just need your chicken thighs. You need rosemary, thyme, olive oil, I bought mushroom. Then I bought these potatoes from Fresh Market. You just have to warm them, but they've already been seasoned and everything, and they're just seasoned with olive oil, rosemary, what else is in there? Thyme, fennel. So it's just like a bunch of seasonings. But yeah, I'm gonna set y'all up somewhere and we're gonna get started. guys, so dinner is done. I have, let me make sure I say this right, because I know it says something. I know it say a specific name on here. It is garlic mushroom chicken thighs. So as you can see the mushrooms on it. Then I did roasted red potatoes with garlic, thyme, rosemary, and all that good stuff on it. And then I have my cauliflower. So this is dinner. It only took me, I want to say it took me a total of like 45 minutes to make. So like an hour to cook everything. And not that bad. So I will pin this recipe in the description box so you all can have that to look. And I will talk to y'all tomorrow.